Hello, this is Jessica. Today I will teach you how to CPU jumping wire. This time the repair tool will use the jump wire, soldering paste, and tweezer, and the soldering station. Now let me start to repair. When we repair, more time the CPU will happen the loose point. We can see here. Okay, now let me find the CPU ports first. Many times we find the point is not clear, so we need to put some alcohol and conveniently we see the clear. Now we already find the connecting point and cleaning. Now let me add some solder paste to the points and jumping wire. The jumping wire is finished, and let me keep proper length. Okay, the jumping wire is finished and cleaning the point. Now we put some green oil and curry point. Okay, after currying, we swirl this wires into a circle. We can use the tweezer and the knife to do it repair. Okay, we swirl this way until the cycle is finished and put the green oil to curry. Okay, now we have scratched the paste out and cleaning the CPU's jumping wire is finished. Actually, the CPU's jumping wire is very easy. You just need to use the suitable tools and according our operation to be careful to do each step. You also can do it. Today the video is over soon. Are you learning? What else do you want to learn next time? You can send a message in our page home. I'm Jessica. See you next time. Bye.